Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by ensuring the remote can speak to the TV. First, check the Siri remote battery level or replace the CR2032. A weak battery prevents power signals. Next, switch your TV to the HDMI input that the Apple TV uses so the TV is listening. Once done, stand within about 10 feet and aim the remote at the Apple TV box or TV panel. This immediate setup lets you send the initial power command without delay and avoids connection confusion. Now you'll actually send the power signal. Press the TV or power button briefly to toggle the TV on or off. If that doesn't respond, press and hold until you see on-screen feedback. For infrared TVs, point directly at the TV's sensor. For HDMI-CC setups, any normal Apple TV navigation press can wake or sleep the TV because the Apple TV sends a control signal over HDMI. If the remote isn't paired, hold back and volume up for about 5 seconds to initiate pairing, then retry the power command. Finish by confirming the TV now turns on and off with short presses. This shows the control link is stable. If you still have trouble, restart the Apple TV and repair the remote because a fresh handshake often restores power control. Make sure HDMI-CC is enabled in the TV settings when relying on HDMI signals. If nothing fixes it, replace the battery or open the Apple TV remote app on your phone to isolate whether the remote hardware is faulty. This single troubleshooting step narrows the cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.